Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson about how they're preparing feed for winter. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
We love Wednesdays on the show because we get our Common Ground volunteers here in the studio, and they always have amazing recipes to share. This is a fun one, and as you said earlier, a silly one.
It is. This is a silly, fun little recipe that you can take to potlucks and you know, the summer potlucks. Twinkies are like survival food for, there's nothing here that's gonna go wrong. You just take your Twinkie and you'll cut a slit in the top of it.
What is this called first before we start?
I call it a Twinkie dog. I don't know what else you really...
Okay, so it looks like a hot dog.
It does.
Okay.
And then you just take your Twinkie and then you'll put a Twix bar, and I bought generic Twixes. This is like not healthy in the slightest. And then you just shove it into the Twinkie, and then you decorate it with your ketchup and mustard.
Oh, and which is frosting this time.
Which is frosting, yeah. Because I had a question on whether or not I was really using, I'm like, I'm not that bad.
Mm-hmm. Cute. And I know yours is a little thinner here, but
you can leave the...
You got that on
yeah,
there?
I got it on there for you if you
well,
want.
I like a lot of ketchup, so I'm
well,
okay
yeah,
with
you like the ketchup more than the mustard.
Yeah,
you know?
I'm okay with that.
But see, and that's all it is. This is literally all you do. And, you know, if you want relish on it, I guess you could put green sprinkles or green frosting, or, you know, if you want to do something like that.
However
but it's super simple. Kids can do it. They can put as much ketchup or mustard as they want on their
That's right.
hot dog then. So this is it. This is just super simple. And like I said, you know, it's just fun for summer.
Where'd you find this recipe?
Actually, our friend Karen sent it to me. Karen Brokaw.
Oh.
Yeah.
And she's got grandkids now.
Yeah.
So she's probably looking for something fun to do with the grandkids.
So yeah, she sent me it, and I thought, well, it was perfect for what we're doing here.
This hot dog looks like it's been, you know, cooked over the open fire.
Oh yeah, little girl marks here.
A little bit of some grill marks, right? And like you said, this will give kids a sugar high, so be prepared.
Yeah, this is something you make to take to potluck and let other kids eat it, not
your own. Yeah, you don't want this before they go to bed at night.
No.
Right. This is fun to decorate, though. I mean, the kids would love this.
That's what I think. I mean, you know, it's one of those silly little. You need a silly little one every now and then.
Yeah, no, I love this. I'm just going to finish the job off here.
Well, that's good.
This recipe is already on our Facebook pages. It's on mine and on Pure Nebraska. And this is what it looks like when it's done, folks. Isn't that cute? I love that. I'm not going to take a bite of it right now.
That's okay. It'll mess up your face.
True, my makeup, but
so.
also give me maybe too much of a sugar.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, but again, this is on our Facebook pages. Thank you, Paula.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it. All right.